I can chop down a tree and I can chop up a tree. A chop is a type of, or a cut of meat. From a pig we get pork chops. From a sheep we get lamb chops. From a cow we don't get chops, we get steaks. Now, a chop can also be your jaw, your chops. And a helicopter, because of the noise it makes, is also called a chopper, as is a motorcycle. This is a chopper. It's been chopped. The sea can be choppy when there are lots of waves. And the Chinese use chopsticks to eat their food. In Japan, you can use a karate chop in karate. And the words chop and shop sound very similar and give students a lot of problems. Chop, shop, chop, shop. You'll need to practice.